Welcome to our roundup of the best car diagnostic tools. The essential gadgets every car owner or mechanic should have. Whether you want to troubleshoot issues, clear error codes, or monitor your vehicle's performance, we've handpicked top-rated OBD2 scanners that combine accuracy, speed, and smart connectivity. These tools not only save you time and money, but also put the power of professional diagnostics right in your hands. Stay tuned as we break down their standout features, user experience, and overall value, so you can pick the one that fits your garage best. Let's dive right in. The first on the list is the Kingbolin K7. The Kingbolin K7 is a powerful all-system diagnostic tool built for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. Equipped with wide vehicle compatibility, it supports over 10,000 car models from more than 100 manufacturers worldwide, making it one of the most versatile scanners available. With its advanced bidirectional control, you can not only read and clear fault codes, but also perform active tests like fuel pump activation, injector control, and window calibration, all without visiting a workshop. The device features a 10.1-inch touchscreen display with Android-based software, providing a user-friendly interface that's quick and intuitive. Its intelligent auto-VIN detection scans your vehicle automatically, saving you the hassle of entering details manually. The K7's ability to handle all system diagnostics, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and more, makes it a complete solution for in-depth maintenance. Overall, the Kingbolin K7 is a high-performance diagnostic scanner that combines professional-level features, smart usability, and global compatibility, making it perfect for workshops and serious car enthusiasts alike. Next up is the Ruigence Car Diagnostic Tool. The Ruigence scanner is a compact yet powerful device designed for car owners who want reliable diagnostics at an affordable price. With full OBD2 compatibility, it supports all 10 OBD2 modes, allowing users to read live data streams, retrieve fault codes, and clear warning lights with ease. Its fast scan engine provides quick system checks, helping you identify engine or emission problems in seconds. One of its standout features is real-time data visualization. The Ruigence displays sensor readings like RPM, fuel trim, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensor data in graph form, making it easy to spot irregularities. This helps you monitor vehicle health over time and make informed repair decisions before issues become serious. Overall, the Ruigence tool offers excellent value for its price, delivering accurate readings, fast results, and easy usability for everyday vehicle maintenance. Next, we have the Kingbolin S6. The Kingbolin S6 brings advanced car diagnostics into a portable, user-friendly device. It's built to deliver professional-grade system scans for all major vehicle components, from the engine and transmission to ABS and airbags. What makes it truly impressive is its bidirectional control, allowing users to command vehicle components directly for testing functions such as opening valves, activating lights, or checking solenoids. With a 7-inch high-definition touchscreen, Android interface, and intelligent auto-VIN scan, the S6 simplifies the diagnostic process by automatically identifying your vehicle and pulling the right data. The interface is sleek and fast, and the built-in Wi-Fi allows for instant software updates and cloud report sharing. Overall, the Kingbolin S6 offers exceptional functionality and modern connectivity, making it an excellent option for technicians and advanced DIY users looking for a reliable and comprehensive diagnostic solution. Next, we have the Launch X431CRP 919 EBT. The Launch X431CRP 919 EBT stands out as a premium diagnostic tool trusted by professionals worldwide. It combines cutting-edge software, wireless Bluetooth connectivity, and extensive vehicle coverage to deliver fast, precise results. Supporting over 100 brands and 20,000 models globally, this scanner can handle everything from basic code reading to advanced ECU coding and adaptation. Its 7-inch Android-based touchscreen is paired with a powerful processor that ensures smooth performance, even when running multiple diagnostic functions. The bidirectional control feature lets you test components in real time, ideal for advanced troubleshooting like injector balance, radiator fan tests, or throttle calibration. Overall, the Launch X431CRP 919 EBT is a top-tier professional scanner offering unmatched depth, speed, and accuracy for modern automotive diagnostics. The last one on our list is the Kingbolin EDIAG Elite. The EDIAG Elite is a smart and affordable OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for car owners who want professional features in a compact form. With all-system scanning, it can read and clear codes across major systems including engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. Its advanced Bluetooth connection pairs seamlessly with your smartphone via the EDIAG app, turning your phone into a powerful diagnostic platform. Once connected, the app offers access to live data, freeze frame information, and readiness tests, allowing you to monitor your car's health in real time. The tool also supports 16 special functions such as oil reset, battery registration, throttle adaptation, and EPB reset, making it a great choice for maintenance and small repairs. Overall, the EDIAG Elite is a perfect balance between price, performance, and portability. It's ideal for DIY users who want to perform accurate diagnostics, save money on mechanic visits, and keep their cars running smoothly with ease. And there you have it, the best car diagnostic tools available right now. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more product roundups, and check the description box below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive smart and stay connected.